Hello and welcome to the first of a series of tutorials in which I'm going to show you how to use Affinity Designer to create a poster. And what we're looking at here is an example that I've created in Affinity. And you may have already used Affinity Photo, which is the Affinity equivalent of Photoshop. This is the Affinity equivalent of Adobe Illustrator, and this is what's called a vector illustration package. And vectors are different from pixel graphics because you can resize them and they stay sharp at any magnification. So just quickly to show you, if I zoom in on the lettering like this with the magnifying tool, you can see that the O here is really sharp no matter how far I zoom in. But you can also see that the background is becoming pixelated. And that's because in Affinity Designer, we can combine vector graphics with pixel graphics to build up images. But we do this by stacking various objects on top of each other. And you can see those laid out here. So these are all the objects that make this up. If I click on the black arrow, I can move the different elements around like this. There's the little man on the moor. I can move him around. So graphics or images are made up using objects. That's the first thing to be aware of. Affinity has a blue icon, so if you're on a Mac, it will be on the dock and it will look like this. If you're on a PC, you'll need to go into the Start menu and go to the Programs, find the Affinity folder and then Affinity Designer. Make sure it's Affinity Designer. And what I've also done is provide you with this file so that you can just have a quick look at it and look at what it's actually composed of, just as an initial way of kind of exploring the software. So this will be a series of videos, quite short videos, that will just take you through the various steps that you need to create all the different elements for your poster. Thanks for watching.